All disto. Cool.
10, 9, 8, 7,
cool.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, let's go. Bullet. It's quite good at bullet as well. Knight c6. And if I play g6 here. Okay, I like the bind I've got on d4. And go into d4. Maybe b5, a5. Looks pleasant enough. Tim said, is that crushing or what? For Queen A1. Looks as though I'm going to make a point with A1 here. Okay. Nice first game. Yeah, I think if taking check, Queen B2, Queen goes back to B2. All right. Okay. A very dangerous opponent indeed. Yes, he's threatening bishop h2 there for knight g4. I have to parry that threat. I've seen that threat kind of in reverse. Alright, I'm looking at... Okay. Now, can I do anything? This looks scary. Maybe bishop c4 coming up. Oh, we've just gone into d3, losing a piece. I have, haven't I? Okay. Crikey. This looks horrendous. Is there any saving grace here? Can I get g5? Give me g5 at least, or a form pawn. I think I'd rather sack the exchange on this occasion. In fact, can I just take on? All right, try and get the form pawn. Or not. E5. He didn't take my offering for the exchange. Well, this seems interesting enough for both sides. Rook f6 or queen e4? I could get mated with this g3 business. I think I need to give myself some opportunity not to be mated. Although I don't see it. I don't see how I can defend this right now. It looks as though this is really dangerous. Can I just walk with the king or something? I'm just wondering if I can walk with the king. Alright. Okay. There's too many passed pawns here, isn't there? I don't know what's best. Probably not this. I think I'm doomed. Well played. Very strong player. Very strong. Relentless pressure. Okay, I might need to berserk to get into the prizes. I might need to berserk one or two. Okay, and that will get me to be able to play more people. Okay. Let's see the standings. I'm nowhere. Okay, got to get the points. Points make prizes. Points means I don't have to pay out so many prizes. Oh, I can get points. I don't have to pay out so much. Okay, so bishop c5. Am I going to be shredded by shredded fighter? This looks like a good start from white. Yeah, a good reaction to my tango system. Awkward. Pinning the knight. Awkward. Nothing. It seems very sensible. Very sensible indeed. So bishop g4, queen d7. Maybe I can get some counterplay with b5, queen d7, b5, b4. Is that possible? Is it? Is it? I hope so. It looks as though this is a way. Oh, I might need to be wary. Okay, bishop h3, I suppose. That looks silly, though. It looks as though I might be trapping my queen, potentially. There might, but he's weakening g3 in the process. I'm not sure. This is entirely crazy because I'm hitting g3 there. If I have to play after f3, bishop h3, bishop takes, queen takes, knight g4, knight g4. Okay, things could get messy, but he's using up too much time here. It is forceful. He's got knight g4, queen g4, knight f6. But I've got G1 covered. Oh, okay, it's good I've got G1 covered. Running out of squares now. Running out of squares. Okay. Close to being my queen getting checkmated. King D7. Close. Is this side, is the welcome committee over this side or not? If I play King D7. Is he spending too much time trying to win my queen? Okay, C6 is a problem. And this one? Okay, I don't mind this. Whoa! Rook! Okay. Okay, the berserk paid off there. Sometimes, especially in bullet chess recently, I had a disastrous series of berserks in bullet chess. Maybe that's because it often takes quite a few moves to win any game of chess, funny enough. So maybe I'm asking for it when I berserk on bullet chess. But this is a 3-minute time control. I'm not berserking here, though. I'm being a chicken here. So we have a King's Indian structure. Can I Benko Gambit this? Transposition. Benko, okay, take on E4. This seems quite an interesting position already. I'll play it like Kasparov. Kasparov seems to get an enormous... I was looking at one of his games against Ivanchuk yesterday. He was getting an enormous amount of counterplay with this kind of Benko Gambit later. I can't believe Ivanchuk consolidated against them in the key game they had with this kind of idea. Ivanchuk played this cool knight A2 stuff to break the pin. So knight B6, bishop B7. Is D5 is a disconnected pawn now, right? Can I not just hit D5 hard? How is that being protected here? That seems a weak pawn. That is a bonus. This pawn chain needs pieces to support it. Okay, so that's one. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll play this. Uh-oh. We're going into unsound territory now. Already. However, there's a perk or two, isn't there? Or is he winning material? Is this knight trapped? If I play knight e4, no, it takes out that bishop. I think this is the time I gotta take out that. Alright, I got a nice dark square bishop. Actually, my bishops are on fire here. Aren't they? I like my bishops. They look mean. Bishops look mean. Bishop G7. I can kick this queen out if I want. Which I think I will do. Although Queen G5 is a pain, isn't it? Can I trap the queen? No, there's Rook F5. Can I do this? Oh, I don't want to lose my pawn chain. Okay, I think I'm going to Oh, this could be backfiring. This brilliant concept is backfiring, isn't it? I've been too clever. There's Queen E6. Uh-oh. I didn't mean for this to happen. This looks very scary. I think I'll need to unpin very soon. Is there this move or not? Clock's ticking. Oh no! 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 Oh, that was such a great concept. That queen sack. That was such a great concept. Ruined. It's ruined. Ruined. Okay. Spillman, gifting tier 1 sub. Thanks. I like this Gambit. I think I must have had something going there with better play. Surely I had something going. Surely. Coffee. Okay, the king's in the centre, can't cross the queen side. Queen d4, queen e5. I think I'm in good shape here on this occasion. So hitting a5 here. Threatening c3. Threatening rook d4 and c3. Oh, okay. That was a good position. Indeed. Okay. There's plenty of time to lose a lot of games horrifically still, or win a lot of games brilliantly. But try and get the caffeine up, maybe. Spillman, thanks, yeah, for gifting tier 1 sub. Thanks. And to Hacksack. Whatever. Okay, so here we go. Oh, another tough one. Okay, here we go. I'll try this Mexican defense. Oh no. Oh no. It's London system time. Oh. try and divert pressure to d4 here. I'm trying to make it about d4 now, if possible. Actually, can I take out this centre pawn? Because that could lead to good things. I don't think b1's necessarily glamorous. Rook b1 check, bishop d2. I think it's nice to take out e4, I think. Because then e5 is weaker. G2 is offered. Or e5. Or b2 after. This is total greed, isn't it? Am I going to be punished? Can I fianchetto my queen? Am I going to be punished? There's always bishop f5 maybe on c2. I could take another pawn. Is this a step too far? Okay, I'm going to find out. This is my greediest game. Okay. f6 to stop being mated. Oh, there's knight g5. Oh no, I am being punished. No. I think I'm doomed now. No, I'm not. I can bounce. It's a weakness of the last move. Isn't that magical? Getting a check, getting back to g7. I've just seen it. Because this other one was failing to knight g5 because of rook f8. And this other one was failing to rook f6 and queen h7. But this way, can I get back there? No, maybe not. Queen h5. Queen h5. Just try and not be mated. My queen's been super greedy. Knight c6. Try and develop something. Knight d4, I'm going to take that. Knight g5, I'll take that. Knight g5, bishop g4. I hate to play a greedy game like this, but if I can get away with it, it's sort of fun trying to get away with it. Resourcefully with checks. I think my queen could have returned back earlier to g7 without this pyrotechnic business needed. Okay. Still awkward, isn't it? Queen. Okay, part the queen via h6 to g7. I can take that. Let's part the queen on g7. And I've got to pass the pawn now. I got to pass pawn. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna use the pass pawn. This is naughty or what? Multiple pawn robberies have occurred in this game. Oh, no. Hang on. I've still got time to totally mess it up. Queen c3. Anything here? check. Multiple pawn robbies. Naughty. Ah, that was naughty play. Very naughty. Okay. Too greedy. Greed is often punished on the chessboard. Okay. So here, this is very tough tournament. Very tough. Come on, let's get a game. Let's get a game. Try B3 here. My pet B3 system. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm hoping to castle queenside, yeah. So rook f1, f5. Try and undermine e6 here. That am I convinced by this? Is it actually a legitimate plan or not? What I'm doing here? Fascinating. Maybe not. There's no rook. I think he might actually take that on rook g3. Okay, so e5 looks tempting here for e6 potentially. Or something else, maybe. Not e6. Alright, is he... Okay, I'm going to test if he's taking that. Do I not get something naughty going on if he takes that? Some sort of check layer? Or not? I'm just getting big trouble, don't I? Okay, I'm in big trouble. Maybe I shouldn't have berserked. This is a very silly pin to be in. Gotta say, okay. I'm thinking I shouldn't have berserked. I already feel the pressure now. 40 seconds. Well, now I can try this cheapo. Cheapo alert. Okay, that was panicky, wasn't it? He's left f5 behind. In the face of the cheapo, I think he might have panicked. Okay. Whoa, whoa, getting an attack. Attack alert, queen h3, queen h5, queen h7. Yeah, I set up a cheapo there on bishop e5, I think. I think I'm back in the game. If I am careful to take his queen rather than h5, I'm back in the game. That is okay. So knight f5, back in the game. Form pawn, power of the form pawn coming up. Oh, not here, not here, because of that pin. That was naughty. He's setting me up for disasters. This guy. I want my full pawn. He's going to play rook g5 now, isn't he? Okay. He set me up for some tactics there. Okay. Can I storm back here? That was getting a bit scary on the clock, I have to say. So what's happening here? Okay, I'll try B3 here. Was that little trap? No, I could have just taken on E5 just then. This looks a little bit suspect, doesn't it? Okay. I've got H4 covered, right? There's no H4 use here. Take it here. That's right. Or F5. It looks as though 95 is dangerous. Hold on a sec. I'm missing this vicious attack on the H file he's getting. Is that H3 to sort of extinguish the fires? Oh, I think I've missed this tactic. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh boy. Yeah, I saw it just too late. I don't know if there's any, if I could have done something better there. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh. Okay, so D5 here. Okay, so F3 knight G5. Back here. Can I do this? Sort of tempting, I'm not sure. I should be doing this. Oh, hang on a sec. This looks familiar in reverse, doesn't it? What goes around comes around. Okay. Or Queen F6. Which is more subtle? Queen F6? I think Queen F6. Using the same tactic I've just lost to. That's quite an interesting phenomena. Using exactly the same I've just lost it. I don't know. I don't know why that happens. The probability of that happening. I don't know. It's weird. If f6, there's knight g6. What about knight b3 and b5? What about queen b3 and b5? Queen b3 and b5. And then a4 and bishop a3. Is that not a plan? I'm hoping that's the plan anyway. I'm hoping that's a plan. A legitimate plan. Is it? I'm hoping it is. Okay, let's go for it. In fact, doesn't that crush the knight anyway? Where's the knight going here? This looks dangerous. I don't know when a knight's going. I don't know where that knight... I can't solve the problem. If I was playing black, I don't think I can solve the problem here, which is a good sign. Can't solve the problem. And this is also another problem because queen b7. Aha. Okay. So what's happening here? To this? Do my rooks join up on the 7th? Do they join up on the 7th? Too much for the king, I think. It's not stalemate yet, is it? Try and keep the checks to avoid the stalemate. Still in with a shout, I think. Well, the prize up. I just need to start winning. Start winning some more games. Keep winning. This crucial game here, potentially. Oh, he's giving me a chance. Okay, thanks. I'll take the handicap. Okay, so 94. Right, yeah. Trying to open up the bishop or something. It's not very convincing, is it? This could be very bad news. I'm not entirely sure what's best. Maybe it is. Oh, this looks horrendous. Either way, it looks horrendous, basically. Okay, at least, well, maybe there's some counterplay behind these pawns. Behind the wrath of these two connected passed pawns. Is there some downside here for the king? F4, bishop F5. All right. Okay, I didn't expect that. Well, C2 looks like an issue. Pretty quick. Also D3. You know, there's issues here, isn't there? Well, there's another one there. That's fair enough. Well, I think there's Queen F2 coming in here. Was he a bit worried about playing E5 earlier or something? Bishop H6. Okay, that was nice to have the extra time there. Well, it's going to be a struggle to get into third place still. Queen, all right, yeah. Comment there. Yeah. I'm not sure about berserking. Take the full 3 minutes. Can I play an Alekhine Chatard Gambit? Yeah, I love this one. Alpha Zero Crush Stockfish in this one. Alright, okay, this is slightly different. Not accepting the Gambit. I think it's one of the more respectable gambits, but it wasn't accepted anyway. It's the Alekhine Chatard Gambit. It's one of the more respectable, dangerous gambits going, I think. Especially given, Alpha Zero couldn't cope with Stockfish 8 in the Alekhine Chatard. I think that's vindication that Alekhine's concept passes the test of time. So I get a form pawn for Rook H6 here, don't I? I just need to put some firepower to it, I think. Okay, there's a problem on the C file. Maybe I'll take time out. Or not. It is check. I have to take time out. Alright, let's just do it like this. And ready to roll. Or not. There's a few things coming off here on Rook H6. And Queen D4, that's a pin. Oh, he's not letting me do anything. He's not letting me even pin. Oh, this could get difficult. And it's closing it all up. Oh man. Except here is not. It's all back in action now. Rook h6 is back in action. Queen g6, Queen e6 coming up, knight d5 after that. Looks tempting enough for me. c8 could drop off. And drop off. Okay. Here we go. I just realised my hair is a total mess. I didn't brush it properly, did I? Okay. Oh well. Okay. So d3, h4, hack attack time. Yes. Full blast. Hack attack. Oh, he doesn't want to do that. Oh, no, he doesn't want to do that. Oh, I think we've had a game where well, not with him in particular, but this looks as though I've had this sort of game before, and I remember doing well out of this sort of position. Maybe I'm not going to do well here, or maybe I am going to do well here. Interesting. I had an over the board game once, which sort of taught me, that was a beautiful. I kind of really like that over the board game. I had when this happened, they gave up that precious bishop, and were in trouble later. And I did do some sort of pawn sack. I should really castle at some point, I suppose. This seems pointless because d4 is strong for black. Maybe I just want to castle or open up. Let me just open up the H file. I think I probably do. Is that crudeness actually doing anything anytime soon? Or the check. Dangerous pass pawn over there. It looks as though, someone castle on rook g1. This h8 is a tactic to bear in mind. There's also a tactic this way. Right. Oh, there's a tactic this way almost, but there's knight takes. This way, rook g1. Okay, what do I do in the dark square bishop here? Interesting. Queen e4. Just let it guard c3. Okay, is he closing up my bishop? Queen e4 for queen e5 for knight f7. If I take out that queen, I've always got king takes. Okay, maybe that's not doing anything. I'm going to give it a shot. He's got knight b3. I'm threatening knight f7. Okay, can I get rid of this? Check. Get rid of that guy. Get rid of this guy for e6. He's got knight b3. Oh, there's bishop c6 as well. bishop e3 for d4. Okay, bishop e3 here. Okay, he can take him bishop c6. But then there's queen g4. I mean rook g4. Rook g4. Queen g4. Alright, I wish. Okay. Okay, knight f6 for rook g8. How's this ending? We've got a7 under fire. I'll take out a7. Could be important to take out c4 next. Bishop b6, rook c4. Okay, he's got a few things going on. Okay. Cut the king. Oh, he's going to win a3 if I'm not careful. I'll keep the king cut off, I think. Unless he plays this. Oh. Right. Okay, is there another plan here? a4 for king. Alright. a4 here, try and break out these pawns. He's only got 10 seconds. Time is limited. Resource, sometimes. Oh. Is he proving it's complete? I've got nothing. He's proved I've got nothing, hasn't he? I'm actually losing the pawn after all that. It's pre-move time. I'm afraid. Wow, man! Wow! How did he play so many moves? Am I that slow? Am I like a turtle? I thought I had a good position. Like a turtle. Man! Okay. Seems a bit strange this way of playing it, isn't it? He's got knight d5 coming up. Or something even more brutal. I don't know. Can I afford this discovery or not? I'll check it out. I'll stop him casting queenside. Well, there's He's got stuff. I think I'll decline it. I don't think I've ever beaten this guy. Oh, right, he resigned. It's the first time I've beaten him. I think it's like killing me last week as well. Okay. I feel I'm being mocked with his draw offers last week, and he goes on to crush me after, or forcibly draw me, mocked there all the time. Okay, so anyway. Gambit against this F5 nonsense. Surely not. Surely I can play this to break up that centre before it gets to be more meaningful. I can park over here, if I can park over there or not. Maybe not. It's queen takes, if nothing else. Alright, so I got pressure on this e4, haven't I? Now, do I want to lose b2 or do I want to lose b2? I have no idea. I have no idea. This looks interesting anyway. This interesting. Okay. Maybe queen c4 if I need to get out of here. Oh, there was knight d7 as an idea. Make some air for the king. Oh, there's knight e6. No, there's queen b2. Well, maybe there was knight f6. Okay, what is this about when it's at home? What's this about? Oh, queen b2, right. Okay. Oh. Is that queen d4? Is that dangerous? Queen c6, queen c7. Or just queen? What about just queen d4? Isn't there knight g7? Knight g7? No, there isn't. Okay. I'll just have a thought. Bishop's controlling e8. Anything else to say about that? Oh. Okay, back here. Because it's hitting there. Okay. Rook f2. Maybe g4, h4, h5. Is that going to be doing anything? I see. Well, was wondering if that was a legal move. I was wondering, hang on, that can't be a legal move because it's my turn. That logic was going in my head. I can't take this bishop because I would have noticed that surely when he played the move. Yeah, therefore it can't be a legal move. I don't know. I think it's the sanity check. Was that a legal move? Taking the bishop? Okay, here we go. I have to protect this guy. I don't like it. Unprotected. Unprotected piece alert. Unprotected piece alert. Okay. That's coming up. Maybe 3d6. That's b5 for queen b4. Potentially. Okay. d6 bishop g4 or b5 d6 with bishop g4. He's not moving his bishop over here because he'd lose this one. I just realised that was nonsense, wasn't it? He'd lose this g5. What's he doing with this stuff? Bishop g4 and castle queenside. I'll wait for this bishop a3, I think. Oh, it's not happening. If I play rooks here, I don't know what's going on now. What is this all about? What is this all about? I don't get it. I don't get it. Anything. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing either in this position. What am I doing in this position? I don't know. Do I castle? I mean, if he takes this rook f8. Oh, there's d5 winning a piece. Okay. I'll go with that. I'll do for a moment. f6 and then castle queenside, or castle queenside, or f6. Maybe f6, then castle queenside, or do something about this guy before it's too late. No stalemate, is there? Got to watch out for the stalemate tricks. No. If in doubt, keep checking. This system I got I saw an Andrew Martin video about it. This system being annoying at some point. Now I know this is very crude, but I think it's dangerous in this particular position. In this particular position, I think the crudeness is justified. And once black fires this diagonal, is aiming for that diagonal, yeah. Something weird like this on rook h7. Just castle on h4 or c4 here for queen c5 and bishop c6. There's going to be a Rubinstein Immortal coming up soon. Is there? Okay, so, or maybe not. Yeah. Let's not get carried away. Let's play a move like normal move, Queen e3, that's check. That's not good. Is it possible F5 and then H4 is like that? What's this about D8? Make me on D8. That's not nice. Killer common square D8. Is there like knight e3? Is that possible? This one? And the rook back in the game. Bishop d8. And get the rook back in the game, or front pawn. Both. Yeah, exciting. Exciting. Okay, here we go. Getting some points. I don't know about that. What's that about? I see. Oh, I've just gone into something horrible, haven't I? Oh boy. Oh, I think I'm busted. Wow, that was very energetically played. A very dangerous gambit to be aware of. I think that's it's nearly over. Or is it over? It's just over, isn't it? Oh, that's good. Winning exchange. Okay. Uh-oh. That stunned me, that B5. I was really stunned by that novelty idea. That put me on edge. Yeah, maybe there's something to that. It's knight d6 if the knight moves. Oh, I'm protecting g2 now. That's nice. This has worked out well, even though a greedy game by me. It's worked out well somehow. Stop everything off. It should be a nice endgame. In theory. Protected pass pawn. Always berserk me. It's a high risk strategy, isn't it? Can I just take that? I'm simplifying too much the position for him. Rook b8 here. Bishop e6 and rook b8. As long as he's not coming on this diagonal. There's also knight f2. Alright. Oh, he's coming on that diagonal. Okay. Well, there's knight f2 again, but this diagonal's a killer, isn't it? If I just take this guy out. Then play knight f2. Was there rook h5? Alright, this isn't that effective. Okay, there's knight b4. Well, there's takes and knight d3 here. I'm supposed to be good at tactics, aren't I? I've done this tactics course recently. Check out the tactics course. Yeah, I'm supposed to be good at tactics. Yes. Given I've been researching tactics for months and months and months for that tactics course, yeah, I'm hoping to play 1 or 2 good tactics occasionally. Especially when someone berserks me and gives me all the time in the world to think about it. Okay. Can I play b4? Oh, crikey. There is f6. That's a good point. Can I win d5 anyway? Or d5 here? Oh, only 22 seconds. Oh dear. Okay, can I get a knight to g6 from a mate like that, a mating pattern like that? Looking for that mating pattern with the dying seconds of the clock. Looking for the mating pattern. Desperate. Found the mating pattern, just in case. Just. What's that? I missed mate, did I? Don't know. I'm not aware of missing a mate. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing everything. I don't know. I have this illusion I'm playing well. Anyway, as long as I win, it doesn't matter. I have this illusion. Okay, that I'm playing reasonably well, better than the opponents anyway. I think that's the important thing. Just play better than the opponent, yeah. The bear joke, you know, you just need to run faster than the other guy running from the bear. Okay. Rook b8, b5. Some counterplay here, I hope. Counterplay, I hope. Is there any? Do I have any? Do I need to? Oh, form pawn. How dare he install the form pawn against me? The form pawn has been installed. I need to be very careful now. Okay, maybe back here. Maybe 98 to d6. Okay, now I'm running out of ideas. He's not taking on e5. It will give me a plan. I mean, a blockade plan. Pawn mate soon coming up if I'm not careful. Also, the rook is liable. Okay, so it's going to double tap my rook probably and g7 soon. So I think I got a shield, put a shield to this business. Okay, there's 95, is there? Or not, it sort of backfires. Bishop f5. Is there rook c2 by any chance or not? Obviously, I don't think I can take it. Not obviously, but I don't think I can take that. I do get mated on g7, so that's out of the question. What about rook b4? Is that something? Rook b4? Tense moment. Okay, at least try and pin something. I'll take here, undermine this pesky knight, if possible. It's got Desperado if he wants. Oh, I've fallen in. There was a tactic with Rook f6. I think he missed. If he'd taken it on Rook f6, take my queen and Rook f6. I think there was a tactic with the form pawn. Okay. Am I playing the King's Indian? Maybe I am. I've been through a few King's Indian games this morning. How does it go? Okay, Kasparov's played this a6 b5 plan against Ivanchuk. He's not allowing me to do that. Okay, we have a Benoni transposition, right? Okay. Okay, this looks... I've seen this all before at some point. Famous last words. Okay, I think I have seen this all before. Similar. Is he dominating the position? Can I get rid of this visitor? Bishop b5. Okay, there's rook a7 business. Bishop f4. Rook f4. Maybe oh, he's got... Is it dangerous to play rook f4? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I'm hitting f1. Surely I can take here, and there's also knight f8. Okay. At the moment. Stop this naughty bishop. That's queen b1. That's dangerous. Or knight f6. Sack the exchange. Take out this bishop. Him winning the exchange, is that a big deal? Knight f6. Okay, queen e4 for a moment. Stop this business. Maybe bishop g3 and queen e1. Seal the exits. Okay. What would be an interesting move here, I wonder? This? Whoa! Whoa! What a game, man! What a game! That was brutal, man. That was brutal. I think I need a holiday after this game. That game. As in not berserk. Yeah, as in not be hacked to death. I'm going to cancel Queenside. I need to go on holiday now after that game. I need a quiet position with no if-then analysis. Petrosian. Call up Petrosian. What does Petrosian play? He doesn't like losing. Petrosian. What do you play, Petrosian? French defence. Can I play that with white? Okay, so d4, d5. Maybe I should have played the French defence with white. Okay. Missed the trick. No! I'm being attacked, man. I'm being attacked. This is so unfair. Ugh, what is the immediate threat? I can't. Ah! Let's just extinguish. Try and extinguish the flames here. Is there knight f3? Have I just created a fatal weakness for the last move? Check. If I'm not being mated here, it's a good idea. Isn't there d6 for a sort of counter-attack? It's got a point. Hang on. Oh, there's knight c3. He definitely has a point. 13 seconds. Okay, how do I survive this? Do I survive it? Well, it seemed like a good laugh to get a load of pawns. Will I still be laughing soon or not? Maybe not. Crikey. Oh, I'm just losing all my pawns. Okay. Can I undermine rather than give up the Dark Square Guardian? My Dark Square Guardian of the Galaxy. Do I want to give it up? I just want to undermine. Without being mated. Oh, no. Hang on. Ah! All right, check. "29 seconds. "25. I think I've got to start pre-moving like crazy. Okay. What? What? Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Roller coaster on the chessboard. Notice that I didn't use the Vienna Gambit. I want a peaceful life. I'm going to castle queenside. Why do they want to hack me to death on the kingside? What have I done here? What have I done here recently? I'm castling queenside against this h5. Let's prevent the f-pawn moving. Prevent it moving. You know, I've just realised something about this tournament. I meant to record it locally, but it's fun to have the audience here. I actually was thinking I should record it locally because the thing is, I can't put it on YouTube today, can I? Can someone correct me on this? I need to wait 24 hours, don't I, to put it on YouTube? Oh, well. It's going to have to be tomorrow. I'm going to have to put it on tomorrow. Tell me if I'm wrong about that. Does anyone know about YouTube? I mean, Twitch. I mean, whatever. If you're a partner, I think you have to wait 24 hours. I've just realised. Okay. If you're a Twitch partner. Yeah, anyway, it's nice to have an audience there. It's fun to stream it. I'll put it on tomorrow. Yeah, is that strong? That looks stronger than this because he doesn't have to go in with anything on rook d3. He could just bypass it after. But pressure like this is less easy to ignore, I think. In fact, I think there's rook b3 coming up. Is there not? Well, especially here. All right. Form pawn. Holding on to a4 just in case. There's queen e4 there, isn't there? Okay, it's getting a bit dangerous. If someone go rook d6 to b6. Over here is dangerous, okay. We got rook e4 coming up. Looking at. Oh. Oh. Oh, I had a clock advantage which evaporated. It just evaporated. No, it just evaporated. My clock advantage, I had a clock advantage. No. Quick, let's just check. Let's not be silly. I'll support it with here, maybe. Kramnik, think Kramnik. I've seen a game recently. Kramnik sort of played against the h5 pawn. Trying to avoid being pinned. It's so committal being pinned. Oh. Whoa! Lots of tricks there with the fork. Lots of tricks. He kept his nerve really well. Oh. Let's go right on the wire, man. Right on the wire. Not to lose his pawn. E4. Crikey, I need a game that is. Oh, I think I'm. Okay. Oh, I think I'm out of the prizes. Okay, I'm gonna be paying out all 3 prizes this week. Oh well, okay, it was fun. Oh. Oh no, there's no other game. I tried so hard. with all the berserking. Okay. It's over. It's over. The dream is over. Of getting into the prizes. The dream is over. Congratulations to everyone. Thanks for playing. And okay, I resign here. Okay, I've got money to give out. Okay, if you feel sorry for me having to pay out all this money, yeah. Just remember Kingscrusher TV /chess tactics. Thanks. Check it out. Okay. Please give. Okay, thanks all for coming. Yeah, that was a blast. It was much harder than last week. Wow, that was good. Oh, it's because I was streaming it. I think I actually made it harder than last week by streaming it. I think that's the difference. So yeah. Okay. Comments, questions, like, shares, subscribes on YouTube. Welcome. I think I might have to put it on tomorrow. I have a feeling it might have to go on tomorrow. Okay. Thanks so much.